Good morning, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the oil on a 5th generation 4runner, and I'm also going to upgrade the oil filter housing to an aluminum one. I'm going to be using Motul S20. I got it for a good deal, and pretty much this is all you need. You're going to need this tool to remove the housing, the plastic one. We're gonna need a torque wrench, sockets, and I might need this special hex because I'm running a aftermarket skid plate C4. So it'll be, I think, easier for me to do the oil change on my truck because I don't have to remove the skid plate at all. I have covers for the housing and for the drain plug. The first thing you want to do is put your truck on ramps so you can have more space to work on. And we're gonna go underneath here, and I'm gonna remove these 4 hex bolts. This is for the housing and the filter, and the one in the back for the oil drain plug. I got full skid plates all the way to the back. I'm only missing the one for the fuel tank. But anyways, let's do this. Okay, so right now we're gonna remove the 4 millimeter head bolts for the oil filter housing cover. Wrong way. And we're gonna remove the cover for the drain plug. Make sure you remove the oil filler cap before removing the bottom drain plug to release the pressure. So hard. Yeah, then you're gonna remove the oil drain plug. It's a 14. Make sure your pan is right underneath. You don't wanna get your float dirty. Take it out all the way by pushing it in. Use a lever so you can create a little bit of pressure, and when you're ready, take it out like that. Now you're gonna clean your drain plug really good and remove the old gasket and put a new one. Like this. Then you're gonna clean up your oil pan really good and put back the oil drain plug with a new washer by hand first. Screw it in, and then you're gonna torque it down to 30 foot-pounds. There you go. Now you're gonna put back the cover, and we're gonna go to the front and remove the oil filter housing that is right here. I do off-road, so that's why my engine bay is so dirty. Then you're gonna remove the plug from the filter housing with a 3/8 extension. Like this. It's gonna drain some oil. And then the kit comes with an adapter so you can drain it more and drain the oil filter. You're gonna use your special tool to remove the housing. You're gonna line it, and you're gonna remove. You're gonna swap this center piece because you can see it's like this. That's it. This is the difference between the centerpieces. You can see the OEM one from 4runner is a lot longer than the one on the new one. You just swap them out and that's it. After you put it back, make sure you bend the tabs back in place so the centerpiece won't be jiggling around. Like this. Now you're gonna get your new oil filter, put it inside all the way down. You're gonna get a little bit of oil and put it around the ring. And because this is a new piece, you're gonna make sure you're gonna remove this, the plug, and make sure there's a gasket inside, and you can lube it too. Right now I check it out and I confirm it does have the gasket, but make sure you lube it as well before you put the plug. There you go. And now you're gonna torque it down. It shows right, it even shows right here. Look how badass this is. It shows you to torque it down to 25 foot-pounds with the tool you bought. And now this is your new upgraded oil filter housing, aluminum. And now you're gonna start filling up the truck with oil. You're gonna wanna put six quarts first and then let it run. And then check your oil levels and see from there. Yeah. Okay, now in order to reset your oil light, I have a 2020 with a push start. You're gonna go ahead and press it twice without pressing the brake pedal. 1, 2. Then you're gonna go to trip A. Trip A. Turn it off. And then hold this right here. Then you're gonna press this button, the odometer one, and press it twice again. And look how it's resetting.